In this particular video, we will be learning how to read instrument location or how to understand where the instrument is located by going through the P&ID, right? And for that, you need to understand the different symbologies that are normally used in the P&ID to denote whether the instrument is located in the field or it is in the control room or it is a graphic symbol. In this video, we will be first learning what are the different symbols are as per the ISA standard, and then we'll be going through a practical example so that your understanding is very clear. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the location of the instrument in from any P&ID. So let's begin. So if the symbol of instrument given in the P&ID is only a circle, then the instrument is mounted in the field and it is visible and accessible to the operator. If the instrument is symbolized through a circle with a line in the middle of it, then this instrument is located in a panel, console and cabinet, and that panel, console or cabinet is located in the control room. Again, this instrument is visible and accessible to the operator. If instead of a solid line in the middle of a circle, there is a dotted line, then the instrument is located in the control room panel, console or cabinet, but it is located in the rear side of it. As it is located at the rear side, it is not normally visible or accessible to the operator. If instead of a single line, there are two solid lines at the middle of the circle, then the instrument is located in the local control panel, console or cabinet, and it is visible and accessible to the operator. If instead of the solid line, there are dotted lines in the middle of the circles, then the instrument is located in the local control panel, console or cabinet, but as it is located at the rear side of the panel, console or cabinet, it is not very visible or accessible to the operator. So through this symbol, basically you will understand where the instrument is basically located. So you see this symbol if there, so instrument is located in the field. This is also located in the field, but it is within the cabinet console, right? On the other hand, if there is a single line here, it is located in the control room. This is also located in the control room, and this is located in the field, right? So this is located in the field, this is located in the field, and this is also located in the field. This one and this one is located in the control room. Now if there are dotted line, always it is on the rear side, whether it is a single line or double line. Now within these symbols, you will find that this particular symbol and this particular symbol are most widely used. Other symbols are not so frequently used. You will find some usage for the field mounted instrument, but the field mounted instrument at the rear side is very uncommon. At the same time, control room instrument which is located at the rear side is very uncommon. So if you find it difficult to remember all these symbols, you at least should remember this particular symbol and this particular symbol. That will help you to understand or discover location of 95% of the instrument in your P&ID. Now, these instruments can be local gauges or it can be transmitters. In case they are transmitter, the signal goes to the control room and it is normally displayed in the distributed control system. So when it is shown in the distributed control system graphics, there are some particular symbol logic that is used in the P&ID to make you understand that this signal from the instrument going to the DCS and displayed in the control room graphics. So for example, for the first one, it is denoted like this. For the second one, it is denoted like this. Third one and fourth and fifth one. As you can see, the similarity is all are within a box, right? So when you will be finding a circle within a box, it is always a going to be a symbol to show you that the signal is going to be in the DCS, and this is basically showing you the graphics display or the signal is connected to the DCS. Now let's discuss a particular situation, right? So in a particular P&ID, for example, this P&ID you take, okay? Now if you see in this P&ID, there is a valve and there is a flow transmitter. The signal from the flow transmitter is going to the DCS controller and the controller is giving feedback signal to the flow valve to control the flow, right? And there is another indicator, flow indicator, that is shown here. Now as you can see, how many circles are there? So this is one circle and this is another circle. Only with circle, there is no line, nothing in it, right? One is denoted by FT3040 and another is FB3404. So FT means flow transmitter, FB means flow valve, right? If you have confusion about how to read these names, there is another video that is given in the description box, so that will give you a fair understanding of this thing. Now if you see, this is the FT. So this FT in the physically in the field, it will look like this, right? There is a physical FT here. And similarly, the FV will look like this. This is a control valve, right? The control valve is field mounted. Okay. Now, if you see this FIC, this is within a box, right? So FIC is actually denoting the graphics, right? And how you can see it, you can see in the graphics. So this is a actual graphic display. So if you see, this is how the 3404 is shown. Similarly, there is another flow indicator is there, FI3404. That is also shown in the graphics. And then the FV is shown in the graphics. Right? Now, if you see, there is another symbol that is in this P&ID, that is within a circle, there is a line, straight line is given, right? So this means this is a instrument which is in the control room and it is panel, console or cabinet mounted. So this is a typical photograph of a cabinet. So you can see that this is how the PG in the cabinet looks like. Hope this particular lecture give you a fair idea how to understand or locate instrument from reading P&ID. Thank you.